What's up friends, and welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how to appear offline on Instagram. And this is very useful when people are messaging you and you don't want them to see when you're last active online, or to show that you're currently online, right? So what you want to do, you want to open up Instagram first and foremost, and then you want to click on your profile picture from the navigation options at the bottom right. So click on the profile. That will take you to profile, right? Now once you're there, you want to click on the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says messages and story replies. So click on that. Then you want to click on show activity status. If it's currently on, you want to turn that off. Now as you saw before, I had mine off, so that means that people will not see when I'm currently online. And you go ahead and you can read through it and you can learn more. But once you have this turned off, then your activity status will not show, and people will not see when you're online, or they will not see when you're lost online. And that's how you can easily appear offline on Instagram, by turning off this activity status. Very easy and very simple.